All right. Okay. So let's come back. Last week, what did we do? Last week, something. Oh, really? One of your favorite. Good, good. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's start for today. Yeah. Easy. So that's why. Okay. Now, in the decimals chapter, I would like to use this thing called the decimal chart. And this decimal chart is supposed to help you in their values here. Okay. So I use the basic one because some can use up to 1,000, hundreds column, all that. I just want to use only up to here. The rest we can just add on to it. Okay. All right. So first thing first is, give your answers as decimals. Now, 2 tens. If you see a tens, use a decimal chart lah. Okay, and then put them in the respective column, correct column that you can find. Okay, so first is the tens that you see. So you go to the tens column and put a 2 here. So the decimal must remain there. Okay, and this is called the holding place, so that you get your 0.2. All right, so if you watch the video lesson, you'll be able to understand how does this work. Okay, if not, then you pay closer attention. Now, second part B is 23 hundredths. So I want you to go to the hundredths, okay, and then put a 23 here. Do you think this works? Do you think you can have 2 digits in the box? You can, because the characteristics of this only allows 1 at a time. Okay. So then how? Then what can you do? You regroup lah. Never mind. So 23 become, go backwards, 3, 2. So holding place, there's a 0 here. So 0.23. Okay. Next one, 421 thousands. Go to thousands. Yeah. Okay. And then put here 431, 421. Then you say, as I mentioned, you don't. So 1 digit at a time. Okay. 421. So 124. Just count backward. Put on the holding place. Get 0.421. Okay. Now D, you have a few things here. 61,000. Then you have 800s. So go to the hundreds, you put 8 here. Okay. To the thousands, you put 61. 61 meaning to say you must put the 61. 61 here. Okay. Then where's the decimal? Here and here. So you have 861 thousands. So I fill up the holding place called 0, 0, 0, 0. And here one more holding place. Okay. Then if I have that, I can add together. So this one I will have 1. I could have 14, 0. So 0.141. Okay. All right. Can I check? Oh, none of you are turning on the video. Okay, I want each and everyone to turn on your video now. Okay, it is required and it is compulsory, yeah? Okay, do not turn off any camera along the way. Okay, just to catch up with Casey, you here already, yeah? Ramus, yeah. Irene, you here? Corinne here. Is Irene? I have only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's little. Irene is not here. Only Casey, Doreen. Doreen. Jervin. Irene, and this one. Irene is not here. Okay. Can I know if, all right, can I know what is your name registered? Because I cannot find Doreen Tan. Is Doreen Tan your real name or the name that you register?
Christabel. I'm Christabel.
Isabel. Oh, Christabella. So you need to regroup. Huh?
I should talk to you. My name is Christabel.
Christabel. Okay, Christabel, I would like to check with you. Can you rename yourself or I rename for you?
You help me rename.
I rename for you. Okay. Give me a minute. Who is here? Irene is here. Irene. Javin, can you on your camera, please? IST. Okay. Who else? Casey, what happened to your screen? Broken one. Why black color? Cause Casey. Yeah, see, so pretty face. Yeah. All right, let's go on from here. So those who just come in not long ago, few seconds ago, look at my screen now. You've gotten the answers already or not? I've just gone through using the decimal chart. Okay, this is familiar to you because P4 you all learned it already. So now today is a bit of revision and then also extended to some certain extent using it in word problem. Okay. Can I flip? Okay. So let's take a look. Give your answers as decimal. So yeah, this one is simple because there is no holding place. All right. So those who have done up, can you type your answer here for 2A? Okay. Question 2A, quick one. And this is 911. Type in your answer. Come on, come on. Yeah, everyone has to do it. Otherwise, the pace is very slow. One at a time. 2A first. Never mind. I know it's a lot to key in. So we do one by one. 2A. 1.19, Christabel. Yes. Who else? Yeah, Casey. Remus also. Corinne, Irene. Javin. Okay. Next one. How you get 0. No, how you get 0.023? There isn't 0.023 for question 2A. Okay, so I have to write here 1.19. So you have 0.36. Let's do this. Okay, 0.36. Can do it here. 2.53. Then you got 9. You got 8. You got 2.89. After adding up. Can see these are quite simple sum. Right. Okay, what is this? Okay, 8.31. Good. Somebody gave me answer. So, wow, that saved me for trouble. 8.31. Who is the one who gave me this? Irene, thank you. Next one, 1D. Who else? 11 plus 3 plus 4, 1. 11 plus 3, 14, 15. So, what I have here is 15.6. Become 3, 1. Do you have 15.31? Casey, thank you. Okay. This one is easier. Now, when you come to multiplying the decimals, you just have to do a shortcut by shifting the decimal places, the decimal point only. Now, show of hands, I'm going to ask a question here. Do you know what is the video lesson for this number video lesson? Who can tell me what is the video lesson for today? Video lesson number what? 34. Only Irene watch. Very good. Now my question to you is, who has? Okay. Who has watched the video? Okay, only Irene, only Casey. Who else? The rest of them didn't. Are you sure? Then we all pay money already. You all don't want to watch. Okay, we must have. Okay, good. Okay, my question to you is, if you have watched, yeah, now you have to answer the next question. If you don't watch, you don't even know what I'm asking already, because I'm not going to read out this question. You all don't know this answer. Those who watch will know. Nobody knows who. Anyone knows the answer? I'm not going to write out the answer. You're going to find out. Okay? All right. So 1.9 times 1,000. Yes, Irene, you are right. Do you know him? You all should know who, Yes. Yes. So 1,000 has how many zero? We count by zero and then we shift the places. Okay, so you have 3. And what is the word that the teacher used in the video? What is the word that he used? By shifting decimal, right? So by shifting decimal, he used something called what? What is the term used in the video? Anyone knows? If you observe, you will know what I'm asking. Shifting of decimals for this one, 3. So 1, 2, 3. What do you call this? He said something like what? You shift 1, 2, and 3. He mentioned the word umbrella. Yes. Thank you, Irene. That shows that you are very, very attentive. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. So your answer will be 1900. Next question B. 25, 0.25. Multiply by 100. You shift how many places? Shift 2. So 2 umbrella. 1, 2. So here's 25. Okay. 1.78 times 10. Okay, let's look. 1.78. So how to times 10? You shift 1 decimal from here to here. And he also used the word left to right, right to left. Okay, so you have 17.8. Next question. He says 18.034 and multiply by 100 by shifting 2 places. Ready, go. 1, 2. So you get 1803.4. Okay? Yeah, you're right. Next question. Divide. Then when divide, where do you move to? You move to the left or to the right? Just now for multiply, you